saw it,
It's a
Bonnie.
vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet.
Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So you guys have recommended to do different things, and slime is one of the most things that you guys have recommended. So I'm going to be taking some of the slimes from my slime shop and recreating them and just making them, and that scared me. I'm home alone, and my cat started walking, and the house is creaky. That scared me. So let's go make some slime. lovely because I know some people don't know what it might look like, so I can do that. And I can do the slime smoothie. I'm just going to bring out some suggestions that you guys can request. I mean, it's not requesting, it's just requesting you guys to request stuff to me. It's very bubbly and it's really soft and nice. So I'm going to turn this into, I'm going to try to make it into a bubbly slime today. Or maybe even better slime. But it's just too little for me right now, so this is my Dusty Rose iceberg slime. It looks white, but in real life it's like a nice kind of velvety like color. It's not super vibrant, but it's a nice color. So, bye! Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I already probably said that,